common root. Require the value of a. Now, the given quadratic equations have a common root. Now, condition is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 into a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square. Now, here a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to 4a, c1 equals to 3, a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to 3a, c2 equals to minus 9. Now these values substitute in the condition. Now b1 c2 4a into minus 9 minus b2 c1 3a into 3 9a into a1 b2 3a minus a2 b1 8a equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square. c1 a2 6 minus c2 a1 minus 9 whole square. Now 4a into minus 9 minus 36a minus 9a into 3a minus 8a minus 5a equals to 6 minus of minus plus 9 15 whole square. Now minus 36a minus 9a minus 45a into minus 5a equals to 15 square 225 minus 45 into minus 5 225 a into a square, that equals to 225. Now for implies a equals to plus or minus 1, a equals to plus or minus 1. Now therefore the value of a equals to plus or minus 1. Now if a equals to 1, then the first equation becomes to x square plus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now for implies x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 equals to 0. In first two terms x common, x plus 3 plus x plus 3 equals to 0. For implies x equals to minus 1 comma minus 3. Now first equation roots are minus 1 minus 3. Similarly, if a equals to 1, the second equation becomes 2. 2x square plus 3x minus 9 equals to 0. Now for implies 2x square 3x can be written as plus 6x minus 3x minus 9 equals to 0. 2x take common in first two terms, we get x plus 3 minus 3 common, x plus 3 equals to 0. For implies x equals to minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Now roots of the second equation minus 3 by 2. First equation roots are minus 1 minus 3. Then the common root is minus 3. If the equations ax square plus 2bx plus c equals to 0 and ax square plus 2cx plus b equals to 0. 2cx plus b equals to 0. Where b not equals to c. Have a common root. Have a common root. Then show that a plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. A plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. Now, solution. Now, the given two equations have a common root. Required the condition a plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. Now, first let the common root be alpha. Common root be alpha. Now, alpha is root of the first equation as well as it is root of the second equation. Now, alpha is root of the first equation, then alpha substituting in the first equation, it must be satisfied. Then a alpha square plus b 2b alpha plus c equals to 0. It is equation 1. Also, alpha is root of the second equation. Now, substitute alpha in the second equation, we get a alpha square plus 2c alpha plus b equals to 0. This is second equation. Now, from first equation subtracting second, 1 minus 2. From first equation subtracting second equation, now a alpha square get cancel, we get 2b alpha minus 2c alpha plus c minus b equals to 0. Now, 2 alpha take common in first two terms, 2 alpha into b minus c equals to b minus c. Alpha equals to 1 by 2. Now, the common root is 1 by 2. The common root of two equations 1 by 2. Now, alpha equals to 1 by 2. Substitute any one of the given quadratic equations. Any one of the quadratic equations. A into 1 by 2 whole square plus 2b into 1 by 2 plus c equals to 0. A by 4 plus b plus c equals to 0, or a plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. A plus 4b plus 4c equals to 0. Next example, if x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0 and x square minus 12x plus p equals to 0. Have a common root. Have a common root. Find the value of p. Find the value of p. Now, first equation x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Second equation x square minus 12x plus p equals to 0. These two quadratic equations have a common root. Now, require the values of p. Values of p. Now, solution. First equation, given first equation x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. X square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. Now, x square minus x minus 5x plus 5 equals to 0. Here minus 6x can be written as minus x minus 5x. In first two terms, x take common x minus 1. In minus 5x plus 5, minus 5 common x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, x minus 1 into x minus 5 equals to 0. For implies x equals to 1 or 5. X equals to 1 or 5. Now, the roots of the first equation are 1 or 5. Now, second equation have a common root. Now, Second equation, one root may be 1 or 5. 1 or 5. If suppose, if x equals to 1, this value substitute in the second equation. Second equation, if x equals to 1 is a common root. Now substitute in the second equation, we get 1 minus 12 plus p equals to 0, for implies p equals to 11. If common root x equals to 5 is a common root. Now x equals to 5, substitute in the second equation, we get 25 minus 12x, 12 into 5, 60 plus p equals to 0, for implies p equals to 35. Therefore, the values of p may be 11 or 35, p equals to 11 or 35.